In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start over on H&R Block. If you've made changes in your H&R Block online return and want a clean slate, starting over can be the quickest way to fix course. Just keep in mind that clearing a return erases your entries and resets your product selection, so only proceed if you're sure you want to begin again. With that in mind, here's exactly how to do it. First, head to the main menu of your H&R Block online return. This is the home screen for your current tax file, sometimes labeled the DIY main menu. If you're deep inside an interview screen, back out to the main menu so you can see the full navigation. On this page, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You're looking for a small drop-down labeled Change Products. On a smaller laptop or mobile device, you might need to scroll down a bit or adjust your zoom to reveal the footer area. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're truly on the main menu and not within a specific form. Once you've located Change Products, click it. This opens a short list of options related to the product you're using. One of these options will be Clear and Start Over. Select Clear and Start Over to tell the system you want to wipe the current return and return to the beginning. H&R Block will show a confirmation message because this action removes your existing entries, including anything you typed in manually or brought in from a prior step within this return. When the confirmation appears, click Yes, Clear My Return. This confirms that you understand the change and want to proceed. The system will clear your current return and take you back to the initial setup flow, as if you're creating a new return for the year. From there, you'll reselect the product that fits your situation and re-enter your information. A few quick tips as you do this. If you've already transmitted or filed your return, you may not be able to clear it. In that case, review your filing status before attempting to start over. If there are details you want to keep for reference, jot them down or take a quick screenshot before you clear. And remember, starting over won't delete your online account. It only resets the active return you're working on. That's all there is to it. Go to the main menu, open Change Products, choose Clear and Start Over, and confirm with Yes, Clear My Return. You'll be back at the beginning and ready to complete your taxes with a fresh start.